Little storyteller.
Coral was a little mermaid with bright pink tail and sparkly green eyes. Her best friend was a small striped fish named Fin. They lived in a beautiful reef with colorful corals and swaying sea plants. One sunny morning, Coral saw something sad. A white plastic bag floated by, bumping into a red coral. "Oh no," said Coral. "Our reef doesn't look so beautiful with this trash." Fin nodded, his yellow and blue stripes looking dim. Coral had an idea. She swam to a big bubbly clam and used a shiny pearl to write a message in the sand. "Let's clean up the reef." She asked a friendly sea turtle with a mossy green shell to share her message with all the sea creatures. Soon many sea creatures came to help. A grumpy-looking but kind crab with one big claw carefully picked up a lost bottle cap. A school of little silver fish collected tiny pieces of plastic in their mouths and dropped them in empty seashell baskets. Coral and Fin worked together too. Coral used her strong tail to push a big piece of cardboard towards the shore, and Fin nipped at a tangled fishing net, helping to free a colorful starfish. After a while, the reef looked sparkling clean again. The colorful corals shone brightly, and the sea plants danced in the gentle current. All the sea creatures felt happy. They had worked together to make their home beautiful. Coral smiled. "When we all help, even a little bit, we can make a big difference." Fin wiggled his fins in agreement. They learned that taking care of their home was important, and it was more fun to do it together. Fun fact: did you know that coral reefs are like underwater cities for many sea creatures? Keeping them clean helps all the animals that live there.
Please subscribe. Thank you.